Hello everyone. This is our next video, the fifth video in the series of statistics videos. And today we are going to cover histograms in this video. And let's straight dive into the topic. We've already covered box plots, cumulative frequency curves, and today we are going to cover histograms. Now, let's look at this. Pablo is hosting a party. He counts how many people are between 15 and 20 and 20 and 50. There are only two, histograms are for continuous data. Why is people below graph somewhat unhelpful? How could he fix it? Now let's see what the below graph is. 15 to 20 and 20 to 50 people. Now this is how the graph looks like. Now the graph tells us that between 15 to 20, there are 15 people, right? And the graph tells us that between 20 to 50, also in frequency, there are 15 people, right? But these 15 people in the second group, they are more spread out in age. But what is the graph suggesting to us? That is what the table is telling us, right? But the graph is showing that the people's ages are spread out uniformly between 15 and 50. Right? It is showing a uniform spread. And this is not the right way to represent. And that is not something we wanted to see, right? It is saying that between 15 to 50, we have the same amount of people, right? Uniformly, all the people, the 30 people which are in the party or whatever, they're in the, in the party. So all those 30 people, their ages are uniformly spread between 15 to 50, right? That is not true. So this graph is showing something wrong because 50% of the people's ages are between 15 to 20 years. The rest 50% are between 20 to 50. There's a larger set of data. Maybe 30% lie between 20 to 30 in that 15%. Anything can be there. But what is the important thing here? That more people, 15 to 20, the 50% of the people lie in 15 to 20. Right? So if there was 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, they have less number of people, obviously, because the only 50% of the people are left. That is what I'm trying to explain over here. So in that case, you need to make histogram a little representative. And how would you do that? You have to, between 15 to 20, you should see that since there are 5, there is a 5 class width. That means 3 people of each age in between 15 to 20 and 20 to 50. There's a class width of 30. That means 0.5 people of each age. And now this is something which is, this is something which is more representative. So this is how, this is something, which will be more representative in this case. It shows 0.5 for ages, basically for ages 20 to 50, and it shows 3 for ages. So instead of frequency, you have frequency density over here. That is something which I was trying to explain you over here, that you will, instead of frequency, you'll take frequency density, and the formula to frequency density is frequency upon class. Okay. So bar chart is used for discrete data, histogram for continuous data, and frequency is given by the height of bars. In histograms, the frequency is given by the area because on the y-axis you have frequency density. And you know that frequency density is equal to frequency into class width. So how will you get the frequency? That is frequency density into class width. So class width is on x-axis, frequency density on y, length into breadth. That actually is the area of the bar. Right? So if we want to find frequency density, how are we getting it? 40 divided by 10, 6 divided by 5. Right here, 2.6 multiplied by 20, 10 divided by 10, 1, right? So here you plot the frequencies as the area. Frequency density comes on the y-axis, right? Okay, let's look at a question. First, you have to complete all the set of information, right? So you can try this. Right? Now here you did not know any value. In this set, you did not know any value. So you look at the graph. You can see the frequency density is easily in the graph, and then you can multiply them with the class width to get the frequency. Right? So this is how you will be able to do the question. And this is what we understand from the histograms, right? Frequency polygons are very easy. You have to take the midpoint of histograms and you have to plot them. We will discuss them in the next video. Do not worry about that. So in that video, we will be actually covering frequency polygons. Till then, bye-bye.